Hello everyone, this is Sana. Today we will be exploring Ella, my favorite place in Sri Lanka. So, let's go check it out! Ella is located in Sri Lanka, about 200 kilometers northeast of Colombo on the southeastern ledge of the Uva province. This beautiful area is perched at an elevation of 1,041 meters and is surrounded by such an epic, beautiful forest and tea plantation scenery. The average temperature is 20 to 30 degrees all year long, and the best season is from January to May.
We are in Ella. So far we're loving this village a lot. It has a lot of nice atmosphere, a lot of tourists, and it feels like we're in a different resort island. Somewhere like Thailand kind of has the vibe of Thailand, I think. So we're gonna start walking around the village, see what there is to see what we can have for dinner. So let's go check it out. There's so many people at this restaurant called
気をつ
Chill.
けてね、車。
So let's go here for dinner maybe later?
Cafe chill.
Cafe Chill.
Yeah.
ここもいいね。
ここも雰囲気いいね。
Lots of nice restaurants.
コンビニエンススト
Should we go see?
ア。わお、コンビニエンスストア。ファーストタイムインスリランカだね。
Our baby boy loves these crackers. It's good because they don't contain sugar. Yeah, and they have baby goods as well. Oh my god. Wipes from Pampers. I've never seen them before.
日本のお菓子ねえか
Never seen those kind of small markets for ages, so I'm happy. Oh, there's a coffee shop. And nice atmosphere. Can I get a coffee? I am having my iced latte and it tastes really, really good. If you want to do laundry service, there's one across the restaurant called Yuko. They'll do it in one day for you and it's 600 rupees per kilo, which is a bit touristy price, but it's okay. They still do it for you in a day. It's a postcard shop. It looks like this. Oh, they're so cute. There's a lot of good atmosphere. There's like a vibe to the city. Very nice people, a lot of tourists, lots of lights, lots of good music, and lots of nice fancy shops and cafes as well. And this is the main street that I'm walking on right now, and you can get everything here. We have so many different kinds of tea. Ooh, it's already very cute.
From Japan.
Oh, from Sri Lanka. From Sri Lanka. You have jewelry as well. Oh, they're gorgeous. Look. Can I get one? I am getting a dress. It covers your legs, so it's nice. And you have to go to temples in Sri Lanka. I'm happy! This shop was super cute. Bye bye! Arigato! You too, bye!
Hi everyone. Yeah, food, drink, everything.
Everything!
Sri Lankan, Indian.
Oh, it's one of the famous restaurants here in Ella, so we're gonna check out upstairs. We have like a couch seat, a beanbag seat. You can literally get anything here. We have burgers, burritos, wraps, we have pasta, pizza, Sri Lanka local curry. This is my appetizer. It is shrimp and avocado salad. And this is my main course. It is cheese parmigiana with linguine pasta. It looks delicious. Cheese capsu. Very nice. Young beef tenderloin. There's lots of beef and potato wedges with vegetables. Looks very delicious. Great atmosphere, great food, cheap food, great music. Very good. Morning. We are on our way to Nine Arch Bridge. It's one of the most fascinating tourist spots here in LA. Let's check it out. So we are on our way to Nine Arch Bridge. We took a car and tuk-tuk from the car park.
もう見えるね。
And we already see the bridge and it's beautiful.
わ
Oh wow. The scenery is quite nice already, including the bridge. Ooh, look at that! Bridge is open for people to walk on it. A train actually passes by daily, 6 times a day, every hour. Make sure you be careful to step aside when the train passes by. It's a good idea to come when the train passes. So it'll be good if you can check the train schedule.
ーにしても綺麗だな。
Okay guys, so we're here. Just climbed down super slippery, steep hill and I thought I was gonna die, but yes, we're safely here. Oh, look at it. I am sitting at the edge of the bridge. To be honest, it is very scary, but it's picturesque. It's very beautiful. So this bridge is 91 meters long, about 30 meters high. This bridge was built in 1921 by the British government. It's made only by stone, cement, and bricks. No steel. That's very impressive. That's because during World War I, the consignment of using steel on this bridge was ceased. You can either walk from Ella Station, which takes about half an hour. You just walk along the tracks, or you can take a car, drive to the car park nearby, and then take a tuk-tuk for another 5 minutes, and then walk down a very, very steep and slippery hill for about 100 meters, and then you'll reach this bridge. It's a very scenic area, one of the most popular areas in Ella. It is surrounded by tea gardens, very beautiful forest, hills, and it's just an amazing view. I love it. It is beautiful. I'm having a wonderful time. So I'm walking along the tracks and it feels very weird because I've never walked on the tracks before. The width is quite big, bigger than I imagined. This bridge is built between Ella Station and Demodora Station. We took the train yesterday. We probably went over this bridge but didn't realize the train ride in the Highlands right here in Sri Lanka is rated as one of the best train rides in the world because of its beauty of the scenery. We are gonna go have breakfast! Yay! We are gonna go to Chill's. It's actually right next to our hotel, so it's super nearby. So let's go check it out. Let's go in. We have mixed fruit and vegetable juice, and it's yummy. We each got one, actually. This is their breakfast menu. So they have Western to Sri Lankan menus. They start breakfast from 8:30 a.m. This morning we went to the Nine Arch Bridge and we're here for breakfast. Yay, it's here! I got the egg omelet, the classic, with sliced avocado on the side. It's hot. Very nice. We are going to experience the zip ride in Ella. Yay! I think it's gonna be a fun activity. Let's check it out. We're gonna go to the Flying Ravana. It looks like it's nearby Little Adams Peak.
気持ちいいねここ。うわーすごいね山。
Oh god, look at that mountain. It's kind of cool though. We're making our way to the zip line start point, and we're also walking towards Adams Peak as well. Oh my god!
おお。
Did you see that? They were going really, really fast. That looked scary. It should be fun, right? Once we start. Oh, they're there actually. The walk is very, very nice. There's so much great nature here. It's amazing. Oh, I think we're almost there. And I think these are tea plantations.
That is the starting point.
That's the starting point? Okay. That's the end point?
Yes. You have a locally cooked.
There's lots of people. So tickets, 16 years old and above, $20. Kids, 15 years and below are $15. And if you want to go again, it's $10. It's 7,200 rupees for two of us.
2 hours?
Two of us.
死んでも知りませんってやつ
You could rent a GoPro for $10 or 1,800 rupees. If you want to bring your phone with you, you have to pay $5. Saving! I feel like I'm doing the free fall at Australia. Okay. Cool. Okay, I'm ready. Thanks. Your turn. So we're ready. We're gonna go up to the start point. Oh. Alright. Hello.
これデンジャラスでしょ
Good.
うん
I think
あー怖い怖い怖い怖いスケアスケアスケアスケアスケア
it's easy.
ここ
Yeah.
This is how you're going to go. You feel okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
これ大丈夫これ落ちないIt's no problem?
He's scared.
Let us go.
Really?
Ready, guys?
Yep, ready.
Okay, enjoy your ride.
Here we go.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, my legs are shivering. Okay, that was freaky, but it was really, really fun. And very short, it felt very short. But the scenery was great. Actually, I didn't have much time to look at the scenery. I think it was pretty. Survived? Survived. I think we survived. He was more scared than you, I think. Yeah. So we're back, and I had lots of fun. To be honest, it was quite scary. We were going pretty fast, and I had no time to look at the scenery around me, but that's okay. I still had fun. It was a great experience. And it's a bit cloudy right now, so we decided not to go. But there's a little Adam's Peak behind me as well. You can climb to the top, so be sure to check it out when you come to Ella.
Thank you for watching senastriptips. If you enjoyed Ella, give us a huge like. And if you would continue the journey with us, make sure to subscribe. Thank you! Bye!
具がさ、おしゃれ。具がおしゃれ。幸せです。優雅。